Guys, we are back after a very long time. So it's been I think month. We have not met yet. So we didn't meet because of academic work that I been talking in a video, because I had academics works, mainly homeworks and that exams that is held in schools, by the schools. Not that boards are important, but these schools exams are just, I mean, kind of stuck. It sucks. Yeah, that's it. So today in this video we are going to talk about the most what do you say, valuable programming languages, because nowadays the future is in the hand of programming languages in the AIs and computer. So technological development is at a rapid speed. So we have to learn about programming mainly in our region, because in this region particularly we don't most of the people don't know about the programming languages and how it happens, how it goes, how a computer programming language can make a robot and an app that many people use, different apps. Every people, I think nowadays, every single person use app, but they don't know how to make these apps, how these apps have been made. So these little and small information is necessary for our generation. And programming languages. And at the end of video I have a special surprise for you, because I'm gonna, post a playlist. I'm gonna um, publish a playlist of I think 50 videos, not at the same time, but slowly I will post one by one the videos which is related to programming language that I've learned recently, and I want to share these my knowledge to you people, because it will help me, it will help me as well, because I'm using the Feynman technique. The Feynman technique says that if you have learned something new, then you should, uh, transfer this knowledge to another person. So I think this is the best platform to share my knowledge, and whatever I've learned, I want you people to know. And I know that there are many students I know that who are very, I mean, passionate about programming languages, and I hope that there will be more uh, kids, small kids that they will love these programming languages after, getting the small concept that how a computer, how a game, I will talk about some games, that how simple games are made. So these small things will uh, create a sense of passionate give a passionate to in the feelings of kids. So I think this platform is the best. YouTube is the best platform to share knowledge and other stuffs to younger people, anyone. So yeah, first we will talk about the most valuable and most demanded or uh, programming languages all over the planet. So on the first there is Python. Everyone knows, because Python is, but there is a problem. First I will talk about advantage, not about disadvantage. Just time. So advantage, there is no advantage. This Python is a great language, but it has lots of subparts. So you have to learn um, different parts of Python. You cannot learn just Python, only one Python, then you will be, you will be best, you will be the best in Python. No, there were subparts, subparts and other, particular parts that depends on how you're in which field you are going to. If you are going to machine learning, then there is another Python language, Python part, subpart. If you're gonna work in, data science, there is another Python. So we don't have to go in deep in this deep matters. Just on the top ranking, Python is the best language all over the world, everyone knows. So Python is used for AI technology, that you can see that you must have seen that there were discovery channels, Discovery Science. There is a robot, small robot, but how these robots are commanded that who tells them to do such things, and raising hands, picking up curbs, and who's, input these works. So this is the language. By Python, the programmers put input to the robot, and they exactly do the same. So this robotic robots are made. Python is a, I mean, huge. What do you say? Python is a huge plays a huge role in making robots and AI. So first, second is sitting ethical hacking. In hacking, Python is used mostly, and also in, what do you say, the country. I mean, there is country cyber. What do you say? I don't know, cyber security. Country cyber security. There is FBI in USA, Federal Bureau of Investigation. There needs not only just I mean agents of FBI. They they need data analyst. So these are the most important things. So, and second, then in India we will talk about raw. That I don't know the full form of raw, but everyone say raw. Raw is, I mean security, cyber security of India, which protects the satellites of which protect the satellites of India to be by hacking. There are many hackers, so to protect the satellites of India, there is raw and other, I mean security purpose. Yeah, so I don't want to go into the deep. So Python is best, I think. Python is mainly used for data science. I have talked about machine learning, that robot, and games also. Python, but not mostly. Python also, I mean, plays a small role in making some apps. So yeah, this is the, I mean, I think whatever I know about the Python, but nowadays I am not learning the Python because I think small kids, I think they should start programming with Python language, because it's you can say funny and interesting. People will grab this, but grab the basics and concepts of Python easily. And another advantage in this Python language is that Python is, I think, easiest language. I think easiest language because there is less errors, and easier, not easiest, easier than other language like Java, like C++. C++ is very difficult, I think. Give me some minute, if someone is calling me, so I'll just put it to airplane mode. So yeah, Python is easier than other language like Java, C++, C, and there were lot more languages, but JavaScript, JavaScript is far, I mean, behind these languages. And at the second, I would say Java. I think Java is a little bit harder language than Python, but Java has a worldwide a common language all over the world. Common language, no changes in any language. Java, in Python there is parts, so some country use some, I mean rules in Python, but Java is worldwide, is common worldwide, in entire world. No need of change. If you have grabbed the concepts of Java, then you can go anywhere to get jobs and other stuffs, to get jobs and making apps. So in making apps, 90% of the language, 90% of the app is made by Java, guaranteed. Everything, not it's only app, not these games like PUBG, like Free Fire, like lots of games, Call of Duty. These are made by C++, and there's combination of languages. But apps like what is it, Paytm, like there is an app in India, Airtel, Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat. These are 90%. These have been 90% made by using Java language. So Java is very, I think, very, I mean important language, and plays a very important role in making apps. So if you wanna Android development, so if you wanna if you want to, I mean, make your own app, or want to just, I mean you're fond of making apps, so I think you should start with Java. And at the third, there is C and C++. These are, I mean, C is the, I mean, basic of basic language, and C++ is the, I mean, upper level of C. So C and C++ are plays important major role in making games. मन में लड्डू फूटा ना भाई, games बनते ना जो. So these games are made, many most of the games, I think every game I think is made by C and C++. So if you wanna, I mean, make some games of your own, if you have idea of making making apps, so you can start with C and C++. So this is these are the top languages I have talked about. There were other languages like HTML. I think not, it is not a programming language, but HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. These combination of these, it is not a language. I think it's a, yeah, you can say it language just for now, but it's not language. But it's not a language. HTML, hypertext markup language, CSS, cascading system, and JavaScript is mainly used for what is that, websites that you see on Chrome, Google, website all over the world, websites, blogging, blog channels, so blog accounts. These are made by JavaScript. So every, I mean, language has their own characteristics. But if you wanna separate, if you wanna distinguish the, if you wanna separate the languages of these languages by ranking, so on the top I would say Python, and at the second I would say Java, on third I would say C and C++, and in fourth, it's my personal choice, yeah, no one who is there to say me. So, and at the fourth I would say HTML. This is a combination, not separate, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So I think after some month after the Ramadan, I will start publishing the videos of Java. I will teach you. I'm gonna be your teacher. So I'm very strict. I'm gonna be very strict teacher on this online course. So I will, I mean, almost publish 50 videos. I think in 50 videos I think Java will be clear for you, basics of Java. So yeah, I will teach you Java. So if you haven't subscribed my channel, so kya kar rahe ho yaar? Subscribe now and share this video, because everyone get to know that I'm gonna publish the Java language after Ramadan. I think from 15th May. I hope. So if you want to learn at least one programming languages or more, so in the comment say yes, I want to learn programming language. So say yes. So thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you.